Welcome to Riddle Master Ukasha. I love to dance and twist. I shake my tail as I sail away. When I fly wingless into the sky. What am I? A kite. When you stop to look, you can always see me. But if you try to touch me, you can never feel me. Although you walk towards me, I remain the same distance from you. What am I? The horizon. What is it that no one wants to have, but no one wants to lose either? A lawsuit. I welcome the day with a show of light. I stealthily came here in the night that I bathe the earthy stuff at dawn, but by noon, alas, I'm gone. The morning dew. What goes through cities and fields, but never moves? A road. In a bus, there is a 26-year-old pregnant lady, a 30-year-old policeman, a 52-year-old random woman, and the driver who is 65 years old. Who is the youngest? The baby of the pregnant lady.